Hey, welcome to Fanatical Siderider. If this is your first time here, and if you're returning, welcome back. My name's Roland. Today I'm going to be showing you some accessories that I just put on my Cfmoto Zforce 950 HOEX. I'm pretty pumped about it. And what I did get was these rock sliders right here. I'm going to bring you in closer and talk to you more about them. They were super simple to install. They're built well and they look great. So anyways, these rock sliders are from Kemimoto. And you know what? They look really good. They are shaped nice here to protect the body, the underbody of the side-by-side. And they curve in here at the back, so it looks good. Curves in here at the front, as you can see right there. And they hang down lower than the side panel here. And if you look underneath, you can see it hanging down there below. So it will give some protection to the sides. And this side is the gas tank, so definitely want some protection in there. So like I said, they were super easy to install. They come with 4 bolts, 2 for each side, 4 locking washers, 2 for each side, and 4 flat washers, 2 for each side. So on the Zforce 950 HOEX, there's a rubber grommet here, and there's one over here in the front. You pop them off, and inside this panel here, there are steel bars with threaded holes that these bolts will fasten into. And it's holding good and strong for now. I imagine it'll stay that way. But yeah, it's like a flat black paint on there. And I have these Mudbusters fender flares here that I had to just cut a bit to make them fit properly with the rock sliders. So if you want rock sliders like these Kemimoto rock sliders, I'm going to put a link down in the description below this video where you can go and get your Kemimoto rock sliders for your Zforce 950 HOEX, or maybe you have another model of Cfmoto or another brand. You can click on that link and go look for those rock sliders there. Now looking here from the front, you can see they look pretty sharp. I'm pretty impressed with the Kemimoto products. I do have the storage bag, I have the soundbar, and I have other accessories from Kemimoto that I'll be installing soon. You will see videos on those, and I'm pretty impressed with the quality of their products. You can see I used this storage bag quite a bit with dust and rain and water. Same with the soundbar. Everything is stayed dry inside that storage bag. The soundbar works great. I'm really happy with everything. So again, this is just a quick video to talk about the Kemimoto rock sliders. If you're looking for rock sliders for your Cfmoto Zforce 950 HOEX or your side-by-side in general, they're a good quality rock slider. And stay tuned for more videos coming real soon. We're going to be adding some more accessories to this side-by-side, and I don't want you to miss it. I'm excited to dress it up and add the accessories to it and get out on the trails. I'm going to be going out later on today if we don't have any thunderstorms. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.